AI video just hit another level. You can now swap your entire body, your gestures, your hands, your voice, everything into any character you want in minutes. No green screen, no motion cap, no expensive actors. And the crazy part about this, it looks 100% realistic and filmed. The tool I'm talking about is Higgsfield Recast, powered by Wan Animate. And trust me, this is the most advanced character swap tool I've ever tested. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how it works and how to create full character swaps with gesture controls, voice clone, and even background changes. Let me explain what this tool really does. Higgsfield Recast is a full body character swap. This means it doesn't just change your face, it replaces your whole body with another performer or character. It tracks your posture, your hands, your micro gestures, and your movement. And it keeps everything stable. No shaky hands, no broken fingers like other AI models. This is the first time gesture physics actually work in Gen AI video. You can turn yourself into anime characters, cartoon characters, actors, creatures, or anyone from their 30+ presets with just one upload. You can change your background instantly with 4 premium scenes, clone any voice, auto dump your video in 6 languages, and do everything in one flow. Alright, let me show you how easy this is. First of all, you go to Higgsfield Recast. Just head over to higgsfield.ai/app/recast. The link of this AI is also in the description for you to check it out. This is how the interface looks like. So first of all, you have the video section where you upload your video, while the other part is where you're going to upload the image you want to change it to. So first, let's upload our video. So I'm uploading a video of Mr. Beast talking on a podcast. So you can see here it's loading. So you can see here our video is done loading. So let's upload our image. So this is an image of Kelvin Hart. So it's currently loading. So you can see here it's done loading. So it actually takes 108 credits to generate video. So I'm going to click on generate video. So you can see here the video is generated. So actually the video I uploaded is quite heavy. So you can see here generation might take up to 5 minutes. And you can also see here in the upper section, you can see Black Friday gets up to 50% off 1-year plan. So the pricing of Higgsfield is really affordable. This for a Black Friday sale, you can get up to 65% off sale. So you can see the basic plan, which costs just $9. The pro plan costs around $29, and the ultimate plan costs around $49. And they also have an annual plan where you can, and they also have an annual plan which is also affordable. They also have a team section. So this team section, you can add in team members to work with you. They have an annual plan, and they have a monthly plan, and they also have an annual plan. Yeah, so let's go back to our video and see if it's done generating. So here it's done generating, and you can see how this looks amazing. So I'm going to play the before and after so you can see it.
The thing is, like, to go viral, you have to do something that's never been done before. I've told this story before of, like, you know, if you're driving down the road and you see a cow, who cares? It's a fucking cow. But if you're driving down the road and you see a purple cow, you're like, you've never seen that before, and it's something you weren't expecting. You're gonna go, holy shit, and you're gonna go tell your friends about it. You're gonna remember that. You'll probably even think about it randomly once every couple of years. Why the fuck was there a purple cow? And it's like, it's the same thing, just one was a little purple. And it, like, you can apply that same, like, analogy to ideas, like when you're scrolling through social media to find a video to watch.
And this is the after.
The thing is, like, to go viral, you have to do something that's never been done before. I've told this story before of, like, you know, if you're driving down the road and you see a cow, who cares? It's a fucking cow. But if you're driving down the road and you see a purple cow, you're like, you've never seen that before, and it's something you weren't expecting. You're gonna go, holy shit. And you're going to go tell your friends about it. You're going to remember that. You'll probably even think about it randomly once every couple of years. Why the fuck was there a purple cow? And it's like, it's the same thing, just one was a little purple. And it, like, you can apply that same like analogy to ideas, like when you're scrolling through social media to find a video to watch.
One thing I love about this is that you can change this to different languages and characters. So you can go over to Recast Studio. You can go over to the Recast Studio. So you can see the video here. So you can change it to any model of your choice. You can choose any character. You can choose any voice you want it. And you can select any language you want. So let's try this character over here, and let's try this female accent, and also let's change this to Portuguese and see the results we get. So you can see here is done loading. So you can see it changed it to our model, and you can see the hands and everything. So it's actually in Portuguese. So I'm going to play the video so you can see.
O lance é que, para viralizar, você tem que fazer algo que nunca foi feito antes. Já contei essa história antes, tipo, sabe? Se você está dirigindo pela estrada e vê uma vaca, quem liga? É uma vaca do caralho. Mas se você está dirigindo pela estrada e vê uma vaca roxa, você...
And you can go ahead and download it. And you can use this for character lead channels. You can use it for global creators. You can use it for faceless YouTube channels, UGC creators, art pods. You can use this for meme and viral content. You can also use this for educational content and lots more you can do with this AI too. Alright, so let's try another video. So this is a video of Ronaldo in a podcast interview, and I'm going to upload another video of Lionel Messi. So you can see the videos and the image here. So I'm going to click on generate video. So you can see that this is actually realistic and it's amazing. So you can see here is done uploading, and you can see that he also maintained the current shirt Leon is wearing, and you can see the movements of the lips, the eye blinking, and everything just looks seamless and realistic. And you can also go over to the Recast Studio, change this to multiple languages. You can change this to either Portuguese, you can change this to Hindi and other amazing languages there. And you can also remove the background, and so on. So let me play the before and after and play both of them together so you can see the syncing.
In the beginning, when you start, you always have that passion to enjoy yourself, to spend time with friends, and to have fun. But in the beginning, not even with 14, 15, 16 years olds, I didn't feel that. Maybe after that, with 18, 19s, 20s, yes.
So you can see how seamless this is. So that is it for today's video. The link to this AI is in the description and in the pinned comment. If you're new to this YouTube channel, kindly consider subscribing to this YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell not to miss amazing content like this. And do well to give this video a thumbs up and let me know your thoughts about this AI in the comment section. I'm Joseph from Josie Concepts. See you in my next video. Thank you.